I'm into it.
Guys, let's go. You gotta leave. Take them now and go.
Something that made me want to join the food truck program is that I wanted to experience it and I wanted to see how it worked.
Even in like the classroom setting, all we talk about is real world stuff. When you put them in a food truck setting or any setting, they're going to be more successful.
We got chips and guacamole from Mira Mesa High School. The financial skills we learn are absolutely applicable to everywhere else.
We need to know everything that has to do with a restaurant business. So I do think I can make a business.
Everything needs to flow, otherwise it's just going to be a disaster.
Guys, why are we melting the cheese on the patty?
A lot of money goes into doing this art.
It's important to know where that balance is and to figure that out.
I think preparing me for my future is really about the lessons and how we really do everything in the program.
All the assistance that we can get from Intuit to understand finances, I think, is super important.
I am really happy that we did get to go hands-on.
I think it's been a great experience.
I think it's awesome that this company was giving us an opportunity to work on a food truck.